Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu no mascarpone easy method. Whisk egg yolks with sugar until pale and thick, then fold in softened cream cheese and a splash of vanilla. Whip heavy cream to soft peaks and gently fold into the cheese mixture. Quickly dip ladyfingers in cooled strong coffee and layer with the filling. Repeat layers, dust with cocoa, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours before serving for best texture. Gather your ingredients and measure them precisely. Soften 8 ounces of cream cheese to room temperature so it blends smoothly. Brew 1 cup of strong coffee or espresso and let it cool completely to avoid soggy ladyfingers. Separate 3 eggs and whisk yolks with 3 tablespoons of sugar until ribbon-like. Then fold in the cream cheese. Whip 1 cup of heavy cream to soft peaks and combine gently for a silky filling. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic for reading recipes and cookbooks anywhere, and it pairs nicely with a cozy baking session. I use it to save recipe notes and timer tips when I cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grabbed something useful, now let's get back to the video. Assemble confidently and with care. Rapidly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee for about 1 second per side so they absorb flavor without collapsing. Spread a thin, even layer of the cream cheese mixture over the ladyfingers and repeat 2 to 3 layers total. Press lightly to level the dessert and dust the top with unsweetened cocoa. Refrigerate uncovered briefly, then cover and chill for at least 4 hours to set the flavors and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.